Hey guys, if you guys can't install any apps into your iPhone, iPad, or Touch, don't worry about it. There's a really quick way to fix this problem. Once again, it doesn't matter what you guys have, same instructions. So let's just go right into your settings. Under your settings, you will scroll down until you see screen time. Under screen time, we're gonna scroll down again until we see content and privacy restrictions. Let's just tap right there. Our second option will say iTunes and App Store purchases. So again, we're gonna go into there and we're gonna see installing apps. It says don't allow. We're gonna have to change that up to allow. Once we do that, we're gonna be able to install any app. If you're having problems with those messages that say this app's not compatible, or this app, you need at least iOS 10 or iOS 11, iOS 12, whatever message like that, don't worry about it. There's a way around that problem, which I'm not sure why Apple just doesn't make it easy for us. But anyways, I made a separate video for that. That's a separate topic, but I do have that video here in my channel. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.